Like the orchestra conductor directs the activity of its orchestra party in such a manner that it produces harmony in music, likewise, coordination in an organization also directs the activity of its group so that it can bring a harmonized and unified actions so that the organization's goal can be achieved. Coordination is considered to be one of the most important principles of organizing. It is considered to be an essential part of administration. Each administrative function, whether it is planning, organizing, directing, control, or the staffing, is an exercise in coordination. That is why J.D. Mooney calls coordination as the first principle of organization. When we talk about coordination, it has two different meanings. Negatively, it means something different, and positively, it has other meaning. When we talk about negative meaning of the coordination, it means the removal of conflicts within an organization, whether it is between the employees or between the employer or the employees. It also means the working at the cross purposes and overlapping of the administrative functions. Positively, coordination means to secure the cooperation and the teamwork within an organization. Here are some important definitions of the coordination given by different scholars in the field of public administration. Now, what are the features of coordination? Coordination is basically an administrative activity, or we can also call it as a managerial activity as well. It calls for a conscious and deliberate efforts on the part of administration at all levels. It is an orderly arrangement of group efforts. The purpose is to secure the unity of action towards the common objectives. It is a continuous process. Now, what are the types of coordination? Usually, there are three types of coordination. Number one is the internal and the external coordination. By internal coordination, it deals with coordinating the individual activity of an employee, the individual activities of an employees. And by the external coordination, it deals with coordinating the activities of the various organization units. The second one is the horizontal and the perpendicular coordination. By horizontal coordination, it aims at achieving the coordination between the employees working at the same level within an organization. And by perpendicular coordination, it means the coordinating the relationship between the boss and his worker, or the employees or the employer. The third one is the procedural and the substantive coordination. It was given by Herbert Simon. Now, while talking about the procedural coordination, he said that it is defined within the structure of an organization itself. That defines the pattern of the former relations among its members. Now, the substantive coordination is concerned with the content of the activities in an organization.